dear student, how are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. I am Barun Chandra Sarkar, Assistant Teacher English, Government Jazira Mahor Ali Model High School, Jazira Shariatpur. Presentation English 2nd paper, Class 8. Dear student, I saw them swimming in the swimming pool. Do you know here swimming is what kinds of bath? Yes or not, dear student? A blooming flower is beautiful to look at. ফুটন্ত গোলাপ দেখিতে সুন্দর. The car made in Japan is running well. Having done the work, I went to market. Dear student, today's lesson is participle. Let's go start now. Learning outcomes. By the end of the lesson, the student will be able to learn what participle means, learn the uses of different participles, learn finding out different participles, join the pairs of sentence by using participles. Dear student, definition of participle. A participle is a form of verb working as both an adjective and a verb in the sentence. Participles are three kinds: present participle, past participle, perfect participle. Dear student, let's go another slides. Definition of present participle. A present participle expresses an action going on. It is formed by adding ing to verb in the sentence. When a participle works as an adjective, it qualifies as the noun. Example: have a look. Give me writing paper. Writing qualifies as paper. Next question. The beauty of the rising sun charms all. Rising qualifies as sun. I found the boy running. Running qualifies as the boy. Dear student, definition of past participle. Past participle form work as a verb and an adjective. Example: deceived by his parents, he lost all hope. The frightened child began to cry. Red marking what is past participle. Driven by hunger, he stole a piece of bread. Driven, past participle. Dear student, Anwar has built a house. Built, past participle. Dear student, let's go another slides. Perfect participle. Perfect participle is formed by using having before the past participle. It works as a verb and an adjective. Examples: Having reached home, he went straight to his mother. Red marking what is perfect participle. Having forgotten him, I went to Dhaka. Having eaten rice, he went to bed. Dear student, do you understand? Yes or not? Activities. Find out the participle. I cannot go on doing. Doing present participle. The miser hates spending money. Spending present participle. The shirt made in Bangladesh is fine. Made past participle. I saw him doing the work. Present participle. Having read the book, I gain knowledge. Having read perfect participle. Dear student, let's go another slides. Fill in the following passage. Use right participle from the box. Taken, coming, reaching, standing, ringing, wait, closed. Before reaching the school, Shumon heard the bell ringing. Reaching school, he found the gate closed, so he could not enter the class taken by the class teacher. He was standing outside. The headmaster found him waiting and wanted to the reason of his coming late. Dear student, answer গুলো মিলাই নিতে পারো. Activities. Join the following pairs of sentence by using participles. I saw the man, he was sleeping. I saw the man sleeping. His father bought a car. The car is made in Japan. His father bought a car made in Japan. Give me some paper. I want to write. Give me some writing paper. Dear student. Homework. Fill in the following gaps with participles. We found the children dash in the field. Next sentence, dear student, the house dash 50 years ago still looks beautiful. We should drink dash water. Look at the dash birds. Having dash the feeling, we shed tears. Dear student, thanks to all.